come. That was good. Right, I'm not sure whether you can hear me, but that was a successful maiden of the iFlight Nazgul 5 HD, but only on 4S. Oh, just silky smooth, really smooth, so really happy with that. Really nice flight. Sorry, successful maiden of the Hobby King Galloping Ghost. It flew on rails, just, yeah, silky smooth, just a tiny amount of trim. Just went with the videos I've seen from Pilot Robert and from Stuart and Hobby King, and yeah, CG was perfect. Just really nice to fly. The eFlight P47, just a dream, really nice flyer. Same with the Spitfire. So today's been a Warbird day and also a drone. So glad to have missed Jason. Sorry, Jace. But today, this morning, a job that should have taken 2 hours ended up taking 5 hours. So I was scanned with it. So I'm actually glad to get for a fly. So I'm going to give another wee rip with the drone, and then I'm going to head back to town. So signing off, and take care, guys. Cheers.